Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12. State toppers for NEET and JEE Main 2024, both produced by Cell Academy. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12 and repeaters medical batch for NEET 2025. We have study centers at Margao, Vasco and Porvorim.
What happened in the Amit Naik bail matter?
Amit Naik's bail application was heard today, and initially the police had registered the offences under section 260 of the BNS, and which was a non-bailable section. But thereafter a supplementary statement was filed by the police stating that 260C was applicable. So our contention was that if 260C is applicable, then the entire offences that are alleged against him are bailable. Thereafter a second supplementary say was filed by them stating that 249C and 260B is applicable. So 260B made it a non-bailable section. So I countered that contention with an argument stating that 260B is even not applicable. The only offence that will be applicable in this particular case is 259C or 259B, which makes the entire offences that are filed against Amit Naik are bailable in nature. Therefore, the court was inclined to grant the bail application. A conditional bail was granted, and the court was pleased to allow the bail application of Amit Naik.
In the bail application, in one paragraph, you have said that he has been made a scapegoat. Can you please elaborate that? Why you
Now, those were the contentions of the applicant in the bail application. I do not wish to open the Pandora's box at this stage. Now, as the investigation will go on, let us see what comes out from those Pandora's box and how far or to what extent Amit Naik is involved in this case. But yes, this person, my client Amit Naik, has been made a scapegoat in this entire incident, because it is very hard to believe that a person can be fleed from the police lockup where there are almost 8 to 10 police inspectors present in those premises. Secondly, the entire premises, as per their say, is under the CCTV surveillance. Now, the funny thing that is to be noted over here is, when any lockup is under CCTV surveillance, it is not only for the purpose of recording it. Now, I believe there should have been monitors where somebody might be monitoring the movements of those CCTV footage. Now, surprisingly, according to them, it is their case that at around 2 o'clock this incident happened, and this came to light at around 5 o'clock. Now, from 2 to 5, what was being done by that police lockup or the personals who are associated with that police station? So there are certain questions, there are certain loops which have remained unanswered even at the stage of the hearing now. Now it is for the investigating officer to investigate all these aspects and come to a just and a proper conclusion.
What are the conditions for the
There are
bail?
only two conditions. Since the offences were bailable, the court was pleased to come to a finding that the offences alleged are not that were put in the FIR, but later on at the state of argument when he pointed out, the only two conditions that 25,000 rupees surety was imposed, and he has been told to give an undertaking that as and when he is required for the purpose of investigation, he will be called.
मजगती प्रकरणातलो दुसरो दुबावीत हजरत अलीन जामिनाक अर्ज केला. सोमारा जामीन अर्जाचेर सुनावणी. सुलेमान सिद्दीकीक ताणें खंय आल्शिरो दिल्लो. प्रुडंटा खातीर सिनियर रिपोर्टर मुकेश कुमार.